So let's go ahead and do another division problem. This one is 3 minus 3i over 1 minus I. So the denominator is of the form a minus b. So then the conjugate group would be the a plus b group. So let's go ahead and rewrite this then. So there's the original fraction, and I'm going to multiply by, instead of 1 minus I, 1 plus I, top and bottom. Now in this problem, when we actually do the multiplication, on top we have a group times a group. It's a binomial times a binomial, and that requires us to do double distribution or foiling. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 times I is 3i. Now let's distribute the negative 3i. Negative 3i times 1 is negative 3i. And negative 3i times I is negative 3i squared. Don't forget to square the i's at the end. Now in the denominator though, since that's a difference of two squares pattern, a squared minus b squared, let's go ahead and work that out, put the final answer when we get it. So the a's are the 1, so we have 1 squared minus the b's are the i's, I squared. 1 squared is 1, and remember I squared equals negative 1. So every time we see an I squared, we replace that, and then this gives us 1 minus negative 1, which is 1 plus 1, or 2. So let's put that down here. So now let's look for like terms on top. So I'm going to combine like terms here. Also, I squared is negative 1. So I get 3. Here the 3 i's cancel. The I squared changes the sign to plus 3. And then we have over 2. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 over 2 equals 3. So if we write it as a complex number though, a plus bi, since there is no I, you could write it 3 plus 0i, and the back of the book might have that answer instead of just the 3.